else, wait. May mga friends kami na pupunta ngayon doon sa aming bahay dahil mag-mini Christmas celebration and also mini blessing sa aming bahay kahit hindi pa tapos. So, wait. And together with me is my husband who is always anxious about having people. Kasi itong husband ko, even if he's very smart, magna cum laude in college, valedictorian in high school, but he is not comfortable with talking to people, right? Yeah, so it always like gives
Rather be
him
in the basement. If Adrian was coming by, we'd go in the basement with video games.
play video games.
Right?
But you have no choice. You have a wife that wants to have people around, so. Alright, master bathroom time. Susubukan kong i-install ang ating mirror dito. But maghanap muna tayo ng stud. Ooh. Hallelujah! So, nasaan na ba yung kanyang hardware? This is a good. Okay, at dahil hindi ko makita yung ating measuring tape, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Kailangan ko ma-measure kung saan yung gitna ng ating niyoy. Teka lang ha. Okay, so the center is bandang dito. Yan. Madali lang naman pala ito. Para sa akin. Aking lagi. Mark. Para hindi siya maligaw. So, kasi naman itong kukulit this order. Kasi wala lang measure. Ayaw kung saan yun napunta. Right, we'll start with this one. So, kung ito. Ang hirap. Okay. There we go. And the second screw. On ito. Okay, dapat siya. Oh my God. And then, tatay yung screw. Dyan. Right, so. Okay, push mo na. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Teka siya. Hindi ko sabihin talaga sa akin. Huwag hindi tayo mag-screw. Okay. Yan. Tadaan! So, kailangan na lang wipe out yung mga may mumu. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ating kusgano na jacuzzi. Siyempre, ang dami pang alikabok, but look. Yan. Hallelujah. So,
Is that connected down?
I think so. Can you try to see?
Oh my gosh, man.
Nako, pag hindi yan connected sa ilalim, patay. Pero sabi naman nung nung plumber namin na na-test na daw niya ito. So, let's see. Let's wait and see. All I know is that excited na ako na i-testing itong jacuzzi natin. And what I like about this jacuzzi is magmamassage talaga siya sa aking payod. And not only that, iinit at lalamig yung tubig. So, gusto mong mainit na tubig, itong lever dito, this one, i-push mo lang dyan. Pag malamig, dito, mainit. Tapos, syempre, lalabas na tubig is mainit. However, after a few minutes, ilalamig na yung tubig. So, i-push mo na din yung button doon, para iinit yung tubig na may mga electrical wirings kasi dito sa sa ilalim. So, I hope na hindi ako makuryente. But, yeah, heat conductor kasi ito. So, iinit siya, tapos mag-bubbles, tapos swimming ako dito. So, woot. Yeah, guys, it's connected?
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, because the plumber said that he has already tested this one.
Oh, well, let's get it in here for all the No, this works. Like that?
What? It's still dirty though.
Yeah, I didn't have enough. And then the electric is, the wire's up, and then I just don't know how that, there's a plug down. It's gotta be plugged in somehow.
And then there's no wire? I mean, there's
There's
no...
a wire. But I guess it has to, Dan said there's some box that has to be set up, which, I mean, he can do that, but I just... Man, come on now. So it actually does work then, huh?
So, testing nga natin. Mainit, malamig. Malamig pa siya. Let's wait for a few minutes. No, few seconds at iinit na siya. Ooh, init na. Init. Yan. So, uminit na siya kasi dito po ang lever dito. Tapos, dyan malamig. Okay? And then, dito naman, sa bandang dito, yan. So, switch on mo lang dito. Tapos, ewan ko kung ano ito. May mga instruction naman doon. No? Instruction dyan. Tapos, okay mo. At saka, ituyok-tuyok mo itong lever. I don't know what that is, but this still needs to be cleaned a little bit. Yan, pati na yung mga grout ko sa sahig. Kailangan din linisin kasi tinatamad na ako. But ito po yung sitwasyon ng aking jacuzzi. Woot woot. Tapos jacuzzi ako dyan. And then makita ko yung ano sa labas. Yung mga trees. Kaso lang may bahay doon sa malayo. Pag mag-binocular sila, makikita nila ako nakaswimming dito, nakahubad. So what we're going to do is Sundays from now, pupunta dito yung tao na mag-i-install ng tent ba? Window tent para hindi naman obvious tayo na ano. So, okay na. Linis-linis na lang talaga yung kulang. Tapos doon, ang hirap na i-clean dyan, guys. Oh my gosh. Parang nagmahay-mahay ako ba? Ano bang nag-regret ako na ganitong tile yung pinili ko. Ang hirap talaga niyang i-install. This is the master's bath. Nakakatuwa, guys. Yung silingan namin ba, yung kapitbahay namin pumunta dito. Tapos, Bard? Our neighbor who came here?
Yeah.
What did she say when she saw our
Oh, I
bathroom?
can't say the whole thing. Holy.
Huh?
Holy.
Why? Why did she say that?
Because it's so big, she went around the corner and it's like, oh.
Like holish shades.
Yeah.
Sabi niya ano daw, yung bathtub daw niya malaki pero na super mega laki daw itong bathtub ko. Hindi niya alam, guys, ukay-ukay ito. So, woot woot woo. Ito na yung almost done na bathroom ko. Woot woot woo. Sari-sari store ko. At ang ating calendar para malaman natin kung ano ng petsa ngayon. So, this is it, pusit. Kailangan pang linisin yung sahig. But, definitely this is the final look of my master bath. Ito yung backyard namin sa old house namin. Mami-miss ko ito. Kasi yung backyard namin doon sa bagong bahay, walang ka backyard. Bangin. At syempre, hindi pa functional yung ating kitchen sink, ay dito muna tayo sa ating kubeta maghuhugas. Anyway, hindi pa naman namin ito talaga nagamit itong sink na ito. Galing nag-uuu dyan. So, babala lang guys, pag nasa kubeta, ginagamit nyo yung toilet, be sure to wash your hands very thoroughly. Tapos you have to count 1, 2, 3, 20 seconds na wash ng ganyan. Kasi pag hindi nyo sinasabunan at linilinis ang inyong mga kamay, magkasakit kayo ng E. coli. E. coli na bakterya, nakakamatay yan. So, okay? So, dito lang muna tayo maghuhugas ng pinggan. Pinggan ba yung hugasan natin? Ewan ko. Ito, mga chichiboreche ko. And since wala tayong dishwasher soap, ito na lang munang hand soap ang gagamitin natin. Anyway, pare-pareha lang naman sila ng ingredients. In fact, mas maigi pa ito kasi may perfume. Diba? So, hindi pa talaga kami naka-transfer dito. But since may gathering kami bukas, dito na lang muna tayo mag-makeshift. Ito na lang muna yung makeshift kitchen sink natin na nasa kubeta. Diba, social? So, enjoy! Ayan, tapos ko lang nilinis yung mga parts ng refrigerator. Oh my gosh, ang hirap talaga guys. Kasi malaki siya, tapos itong sink natin ay napakaliit lang. So, doon ko sana sa shower, kasi doon sa shower may spray tayo, spray lang natin. Kaya lang, hindi pa na-seal yung ating, pinset. So, kailangan pa siyang i-seal dahil masira siya kung ating babasahin. So, ano na lang tayo dito? Pilitin siya na lang tayo dito guys. And right now, because I'm also going to serve coffee tomorrow. So, itong mga mugs na ito, kinuha ko ito years ago, I guess. Hindi ko na matandaan, but I got this from Hobby Lobby.
Likuran.
Right here is a I think want that.
Yeah, because this is, it's got an ottoman on one side, don't it?
Yes, it does. It's got a
So this,
You need to move a little bit backwards.
backwards.
I think we're so close, or what? Can you hold this one? And can you do a little message?
What? I don't have a message. We'll just smile for the camera.
There.
Ow, my back. My back. Oh, to all the viewers, my back hurts. To all the viewers.
We'll just say Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy 2026. Belated Merry Christmas.
And from our new house to your old house. Joke. Okay, let's do it. Smile. There. Bato! Bato, bato! 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 Bato, bato! Bato! Bato, bato!